Welcome to Cayman Connections Bush Club Backyard Farmer Walking Tour and Fruit Tasting. We're in the Cayman Islands, Bodden Town. We're with one of the local farmers called Backyard Farmer with the owners George and Jennifer Bodden. And we got to spend the day with them today learning about different practices in agriculture that are traditional. We got to taste a lot of different native fruits and got to even sample some of the different herbal teas and learn a lot about different plants that are traditional here in the Cayman Islands. Today was a great day. We had a lot of people turn out. It's a great success with learning about the traditional plants and the heritage and the culture, different types of agriculture that they would use, practices, and the different animals that we got to see and interact with. I really look forward again in the future collaborating with Cayman Connection and connecting with the community. I think this is a great opportunity to integrate everybody from different backgrounds, and we can all come together to learn about our culture and our heritage and what the community can offer to each other. So thanks for everybody coming out, and I look forward to getting together and working with you guys again in the future. If anybody would like to learn more about what we did today and connecting with our group, they can go to caymanconnection.org, or they can also learn more about the farm that we were at today at Backyard Farmer. And we're both on social media, and you can connect with us and learn more and become a member or join us for our next tour.